Developing randomness. Now, this part of this series of improvisation is dedicated to those that still find it difficult to play random with their right hand for a very long time. Right? I'll be doing a very long series of developing randomness. Now, what I want to start with is, right? Like I've always said before, you have 3 notes in front of you. Try as much as possible to play random with this. You don't have to be fast. You can be slow. Any of them will work. Then after you've mastered that, you add the saw to it. That's the other part of the pentatonic scale. If you can play octaves, play octaves. Right? The next thing I want you to be aware of is the bouncing fifth. I've explained it before, but let me do it again. So whenever you hit your chord, can you see? I alternate between this and this. You keep practicing that. See what I just did. Now let's go back. Another way to make your randomness sound nice is whenever you are on your saw, you end on re. So I'm moving fast now. Because re is in the saw chord, or you can end on T. Right? Now, do you see that? Prioritize saw and T whenever you are going to your saw chord. Then to make your improvisation very colorful on this first level, while you are still on this inversion, this is the first inversion of the pentatonic scale. I told you this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. But for now, we are still here. You can add your fa. You can add your fa as long as you're not staying on it. Do you see? When I got to fa, I moved back to mi. So it will serve as a passing note. But if you stay there, it won't sound well. It doesn't sound really well. But when you leave there, good. So fa, mi, it still makes sense. But when I'm in the fa chord, I can stay on fa. But when I'm going to saw, so I moved fa, mi, re, to move away from the fa. Or you can just do fa, re, or fa, do, re, anyone, as long as you don't stay on the fa. And why am I coming to re? Because I'm on the saw chord.